friends, welcome back to my channel Rosy Craft Tube. Click on the subscribe button to watch more such videos. It's free and would mean a lot to me. Also press on the bell icon to stay notified when I upload a new video. I upload new videos on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. In this video we will learn how to make tricolor roses, and this can also be used for Independence Day decorations. First take 2 green, 2 orange and 2 white squares of equal size. Here I used 10 cm squares for this. Then take one from this and fold as shown in the video. The end results should be like this. Cut off the open top to make a dome shape. You will have to repeat the same process with others. Use this shape as template to cut the other 5. First take 2 green sheet and paste as shown here. Now call back the petals. Then place rest 4 together and unfold each piece. Take the first one and cut off one petal. Then the second one and cut off 2 petals. Now the third one and cut off 3 petals. And the fourth one and cut off 4 petals. Set aside this one. Altogether, you will have 7 petal pieces consisting of 1 to 7 petals. Now glue the petals like this. Overlap only half part of the petal. Find a small cylinder and call back petals. Glue inside each other. Make sure each layer of petals sit off center to the previous. Smallest one on the inside and the biggest one on the outside. Now our roses are ready. I hope you like it and will make it. If you do, then don't forget to send me the picture or videos of your roses in my DMs of Instagram. Thank you guys. Click on the like button if you really enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any suggestions or requests, please let me know on the comment section below. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. You can order our crafts, and for contact details, please do check the description box below. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.